To start a new estimate, you can hit the New Estimate button here in the top right of the screen. Alternatively, you can start it from the registration lookup here on the dashboard. So let's enter a registration and click Lookup. Now select New Estimate. On the left here we have vehicle details, such as the registration, vehicle make and model, VIN number, as well as the engine code. On the right-hand side of the vehicle details, we have the vehicle reminders such as next MOT and next service. You can input a date here or click the MOT refresh button to capture the vehicle's recorded MOT date. Now, let's assign the customer. If this is a one-off walk-in customer, you can select one-off. Fewer details will be required, and you can simply record the customer's name and contact information. If you'd like to create a more detailed customer record, select New Existing. Let's enter a postcode, a first name, a last name, a telephone number, and an email address. Next, let's assign the customer's notification preferences. In this instance, our customer would like to receive correspondence and reminders. So ensure the three options have Yes selected. To finish adding the new record, click Add Customer. Now let's add in our labor units. We'll add 2 lines of standard labor and type the suggested works in the custom description boxes. First, let's add in LAB1, as this is our standard labor unit for all jobs. And type in this box, Fit Battery. Let's add another LAB1 labor unit and type in the box, Fit Discs and Pads. We aim to separate this to help our customer clearly understand the tasks ahead. Next, let's add the products. First up, let's add the battery. Then the brake discs, and lastly, brake pads. Before we move on, let's create some groups to arrange the products and labor together. Select the Groups button and add a battery category and a brakes category. Then press Close. Now we'll be able to drag and drop both our labor and parts into their corresponding groups using the 3 dots on the left-hand side. Lastly, let's select an expiry date and time for this estimate. The public notes box can be used to relay additional information to the customer on the estimate. To finalize, click Save Estimate. Once you've created your estimate, you'll have the option to add a note and a follow-up date. In order to view the PDF of the estimate and print a copy, we'll need to hover over the Download button and select our estimate. From here, you'll be able to print from the top right corner. Alternatively, to email a copy, hover over Email and select your estimate. Select your estimate template and hit Send. You can also manually type the content of your email and even preview before sending. You can convert the estimate into a job by hitting the Create Job option in the top right corner. However, if you didn't have the page open, you can hover over Estimates and select All Estimates. From here, you'll be able to view your estimates. Let's view the one we've just created and hit the Create Job option on the right-hand side. Now that your estimate has been converted into a job, you can scroll down and select a date and time for the booking. Select Show Calendar if you'd like to preview what that would look like in the calendar. Then hit Create Job. And there we have it. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.